LangChain is a framework designed to make it easier to build applications that rely on large language models, LLMs. Its purpose is not to create or train models, but to act as a middleware layer that connects models with external tools, data sources, and logic. For example, LangChain allows developers to build applications where an LLM can access a database, perform reasoning across multiple steps, or call an external API to provide more accurate and useful responses. It is especially useful for creating advanced chatbots, retrieval-augmented generation, RAG systems, and intelligent agents. One of its strongest features is the ability to add memory, meaning a chatbot can remember what was discussed earlier and use that context in later interactions. Hugging Face, on the other hand, is an entire machine learning ecosystem. It provides the models themselves, along with libraries, datasets, and tools to train, fine-tune, deploy, and share them. Hugging Face is the home of the popular Transformers library, which includes pre-trained models such as BERT, GPT-2, T5, Stable Diffusion, Whisper, and many more covering natural language processing, computer vision, and speech tasks. Researchers and developers can use Hugging Face to access ready-to-use models, fine-tune them on specific datasets, and even deploy them via the Hugging Face Hub or Inference API. Essentially, Hugging Face provides the raw materials of machine learning, models, and data. The difference between the two is clear when you consider their roles in the machine learning workflow. Hugging Face is focused on the models themselves, training them, fine-tuning them, hosting them, and providing access to them. LangChain does not try to replace that. Instead, it provides a higher-level framework that uses those models as building blocks inside a larger application. If you think of Hugging Face as the place you go to get or train a model, LangChain is the tool you use when you want that model to be part of a working product. For example, a chatbot can look up information in a company database and respond intelligently to users. In practice, this means Hugging Face can be applied to machine learning tasks such as text classification, sentiment analysis, summarization, translation, image recognition, or speech-to-text. A developer might fine-tune BERT on a dataset of medical text to classify diseases. LangChain, in contrast, can be applied to building systems where those models are just one step in a broader workflow. For example, a LangChain application might use a Hugging Face summarization model to shorten long documents, then feed the summary into another model for sentiment analysis, and finally use the result in a chatbot conversation with a user. In many real-world machine learning projects, these two technologies complement each other. Hugging Face provides the models and the training ecosystem, while LangChain provides the framework for deploying those models in intelligent, multi-step, and memory-aware applications. Subscribe for more insights on tech.